Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. But to all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you. And if you're new here, we say welcome. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and likes, share, and please in the comments below, no derogatory comments. Thank you. Till I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
Offend you. Kilo ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. This is beyond physical. This is actually spiritual. Anything. Tí bá ń gbọ́ pé kéèsì village people dey pursue person. Ti kéèsì actress Mercy Aigbe yìí. Ó máa ti pursue mẹ́ta yìí ní tèmi tí lè jóná. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé ti gbọ́ tuntun ṣá? Ṣé ní alẹ́ àná tí actress Mercy Aigbe tó lọ sí pẹ̀lú àmọ́fì actress Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Làbákẹ́ Olódodo ẹ̀yìn tèmi. 2 of her phones tó kó ti PA got missing. This is so strange to me because 2 phones lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà and then all dẹ̀ mú PA dání tó kó fóònù yẹn fún PA, and this has got a lot of people talking on social media. In fact, I saw actress Mercy Aigbe video, the way she was so paranoid, she was just foaming. She was so uncomfortable, not even the monetary aspect of the phone, the worth of the phones, her private conversations, valuable items tó máa wà nínú fóònù ẹ̀yìn tèmi. Àṣírí ẹ̀ ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fò káàkiri ló yẹ kí mi dábàá ẹ̀yìn tèmi. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà? Ẹ̀yìn tèmi. Nigeria dey forgive o. And the craziest thing was that immediately she dropped that video, maybe tó ti wọṣọ, costume àti every other thing. That beautiful video. A lot of Nigerians, they've been antagonizing her. They were just criticizing her. Ọmọ ẹ̀ wá ń ta ìyàwó Alájà herself. Why did she dress like this? Me, a lot of gospels and what. Even though she was looking so beautiful and so gorgeous. In fact, that her costume, her expression and every other thing, she looked so beautiful. But how Nigerians now, the way these gospels why is it that all bees outside they started serving at gospels? Me, phones got missing. News will shock a lot of Nigerians because I want to they are big celebrities. How come somebody just took that 2 phones? Could it be that PA no conspire ni? Àbí kí ló dé ẹ̀yin tèmi? And that's the only thing to keep this lady valuable. And all of a sudden it got missing. This is beyond ordinary. She want private shots here. I want secret here. Àṣírí ẹ̀ tábẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fly up and down by ẹ̀yin tèmi. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fi àfikún àyọkúrò. I really pity this actress Mercy Aigbe. Ever since she got married, I've been noticing me from even her own family matter. Gospels don't start up to this extent. You need to go to the comment section. Now when you want down something, more anything. She back and J actress Mercy Aigbe do I can we do for combine nearly or it is well. I just pray they could just get this